Welcome. If you're looking to refresh your avatar on Discord, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the updated steps to change your avatar using the Discord app on your Android device. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Next, select Edit Profile. Step 4. Now, tap on your current profile picture. You should see a small pencil icon appear on it. Step 5. Choose Upload Image from the options that appear. Step 6. From here, select a new photo from your gallery, or you can take a new one right then and there. Step 7. Adjust the image as needed to make sure it looks just right. Step 8. Finally, tap the check icon at the top right corner to update your avatar. And there you have it. Your new Discord avatar is set, making your profile truly yours. Keep experimenting and expressing yourself in the digital world.